Break down barriers and expand your horizons with LSPM Online. Join a vibrant global network of students and faculty, all from the comfort of your own home. From London to Lagos, Mumbai to Melbourne, our online platform brings together diverse perspectives and experiences, enriching your learning journey. No matter where you are in the world, you can learn from the best. Join LSPM Online and tap into a wealth of knowledge and expertise, no passport required. Connect with LSPM Online and join a global community of learners. Your journey to success starts here, wherever you are. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.